Any phone calls should be recorded. You should be able to review those, but you just need the ability to give feedback. We always bonused our front desk on the show rate because it's tone, it's confidence, it's all of those things that really solidify that. So, and if they wanted, I could see them saying, well, we need to know, like, where's the documentation? You can print, for us, we could print from our EHR, like a specific appointment type, and showed all the patients who showed, it showed their names so they could cross-reference that. So yeah, for you, it would be, hopefully just figuring out a way to run a report from your EHR. The training is going to be you controlling the scripting. Yes, maybe they know what they're doing, but do they know what they're doing as far as blueprint goes and how to handle insurance objections and all of that? And it's really just being well scripted and knowing exactly what to say, not stuttering or being wishy-washy when they answer. Like, that's what's weird is, I'll hear recordings of phone people and they just sound scared and meek and, nervous, which doesn't exude confidence. So the biggest training is, are they solid on the scripting? And so we provided scripting anytime that we hired a third party, whether it be, we used Smith AI. We hired like an 18-year-old to just do phones. She actually did a really good job for a while. And so she just had to use our scripting, and we monitored, we listened to phone calls, especially at the beginning, to see how that was going and gave feedback and all of that. So definitely that with GoHighLevel, any phone calls should be recorded. You should be able to review those, but you just need the ability to give feedback to this person.
If you feel stuck in your practice, working harder but not further, hit subscribe. We break down how to fix that one constraint at a time in every video.